What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show y'all how to make over $400 on Swagbucks using a new technique that not that many people know about. I mean, it's not really new. It's been around for like a year and a half at this point. But it's really simple. So, first, you got to click the link in my description to get to Swagbucks and make an account. If you click the link in the description, you get an extra 300 Swagbucks, which is $3, for free. So you're going to need to earn 300 Swagbucks to get that free Swagbucks. So you're going to have to do a few surveys. But look, you just do this survey here and then this survey here, and boom, you get the 300 from this and then 300 from the referral link. And then with that 600 Swagbucks you now have, okay, you go over here, redeem Swagbucks. Then you come down here, you search Gambit. Okay? And since you have 600, you're going to redeem 2 of these, right? 2 of these 300 Gambit tokens. It takes about a day for it to redeem, and you can only redeem 2 gift cards a day. So if you want, you can just save up for the 1,000 game tokens. That's what I just recently bought myself. So you go ahead and redeem your tokens here. Then you go over to Gambit, and you find a game. So, this one. I already know this one works. And you go ahead and you put the odds, so 1.53, in here. I'll have this in the link in the description as well. So 1.53, right? And then 6.25, 6.25. And then the amount of tokens you're betting. Once you put that in, it's going to calculate and see what bets you should make and how much you'll win depending on which team wins. So, this makes it 100% guarantee you are not going to lose money. 100% guarantee. Because if you do it correctly and you have a trade, or not a trade, a bet with both teams in the green, then you know you're going to make money no matter what. So, no matter which team wins here, I make around $3. No matter which team. Because this website lets you bet for both teams for no reason whatsoever. So, bet 803 on team 1. Yep. And what was the other? I guess just the remaining 197 on this team. And so now, I started with 1,000 tokens. No matter which team wins, I end with 1,200. Pretty sweet, right? Doing this strategy, I was able to make like $100 in total in like 1 month. So you can make around $100 a month doing this, combining it with Swagbucks, and just only take a game, a bet, if the Gambit odds Google spreadsheet, which will be in the description, is telling you to. If you just want to gamble, then you can just all in on one team and you know, say if I all in on this team right here, Everton, and they won, I mean, I make $60, right, off $10. But obviously, they're probably not going to win. That's why their odds are so trash. So if you use Gambit odds, Gambit Rewards betting, and Swagbucks, you can easily make upwards of $100 extra a month just to supplement your income and make some extra money. It's really easy. It's like 3 button clicks a day, because all you got to do once you get this started after you get the surveys going, and you got, you know, your first bit of Swagbucks to trade, you just, you know, redeem them, then play. Once this is done, once I've won my game, I'll come over here to redeem prize tokens, and apparently I have 0.5 available to redeem for some reason. But yeah, so you come down here, you get Swagbucks. You never want to cash out on this website because you'll get way worse returns. So you come out here, you cash out, so, you know, 1,200 or whatever. Once I win, you click Get Swagbucks. It takes about a day or two for it to convert. Once it's converted, you come back over to Swagbucks, go to Redeem, and then you can get, you know, a Visa gift card, you know, Apple gift card. What I always do is I always just get PayPal cash, even though it has no discount. And then you can just do whatever you want with the PayPal. Again, click the link in the description to get 300 free Swagbucks. There's also going to be a Gambit Rewards link. If you use that one, you'll get an extra $1. So in total, you can get $4 free just by clicking the links in the description to help you get started. And once you've got this started, trust me, if you're only taking smart games and not just all-inning, because I did that once and lost all my money on Conor McGregor, because he sucks. But yeah, so if you do this, you're guaranteed to make money. As long as it's in the green, just always remember, it's in the green. You're going to want to put your amount of tokens you're betting up here in the top box 100% of the time. Always make sure it's the right amount so you're not accidentally screwing yourself over. Always check the team rates. And, yeah, if you do this correctly, you can't lose. It's literally impossible to lose if you're doing it correctly. So let me know if you guys win anything using this strategy. I've been doing it for a few months now, off and on, just for extra money here or there. It's great for just extra money. So yeah, good luck, guys.